Hello, this is Dr. Keith Johnson, America's #1 confidence coach, and I'm teaching from my book, The Confidence Makeover, and we are on day number 3. Let me read to you the confidence coaching key for the day. Confidence is the power switch that empowers you to perform at your maximum potential. You know, scientists in the area of human potential say that the majority of people only perform at 10% of their full potential. That's why, my friend, that is essential for you to get more confidence in your life. Because once you get more confident, that percentage begins to increase. Think what you could achieve. Think how great you could perform if your potential was at 20, 30, 40, maybe even 50%. Let me tell you, my friend, your life would be a lot different, your productivity would be a lot different, and your performance would be a lot higher. This is Dr. Keith Johnson, America's confidence coach, telling you confidence is the power you need to achieve extraordinary results in life.